Hello, beautiful. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to my channel. My name is JoDee, and this is Beauty on a Budget. If you love to look like $1,000,000 but don't want to spend $1,000,000, I'm your girl. Click the subscribe button below, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. I love to thrift everything from home decor to clothing, and today we are talking about accessories. I'm talking about a huge box of accessories. I got this huge box at my local Habitat for Humanity for $40. And today we're gonna go through and look at all the jewelry I got. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Whoa, take a look at all of this. I asked him to put together a grab box for me of jewelry that he wasn't going to use, and I was going to pay him for it. And here's what he gave me. I did make a purchase on this, but he organized it all in colors. And so I've got some gold jewelry to go through, every color of the rainbow. Whoa. So I'm gonna go through this and I'm gonna pick out my favorites of all the different colors and share them with you right now. Holy cow. I picked out two purple necklaces to highlight in this one. This one is a really dainty, pretty purple necklace with some little gems right there. But what I liked about this was the pendant, because it's see-through and you can see the design on the back through a plastic resin. I don't know, I just thought that this was really pretty. I also really like this one. I love how the plastic beads are facing different directions, and I think that this is the perfect length. I love wearing necklaces that are so you can see them right around your collarbone, and I just really love this design, so I'm gonna wear this one tomorrow. Moving on to white, I do love this clear necklace. You could pretty much wear it with any color, so this is really cute, but this is probably my favorite. The seed beads here are just so beautiful, and it's just a statement necklace, and I just really love the look of that. These are plastic beaded necklaces, and if I'm going to highlight one, it's going to be this baby blue teardrop looking type of necklace. It's so cute, and look at the texture on those beads. Really fascinating. Wow, I love all three of these pink necklaces for different reasons. I love the fringy look on this one and the chain, the linked chain. Really, that's going to be a nice statement on your neck. But this right here, this probably stands out to me because of the pretty beads and the big medallion. So pretty. Look at that bead right there. Wow. All right, take a moment to take all of this in. It's so awesome. This is actually half of the silver jewelry. And what's so great about this is I'm learning about vintage costume jewelry, and some of it does have value. You just have to learn more about it. And I'm in the process of trying to learn more about it, but I'm just going to highlight some of the things that I just really love about this pile. First of all, this one just really stands out to me as such a beautiful necklace. Look at that. I just love the double layer of those spears, or they look like feathers or something. And then I really like the chaining on this necklace. Neither of these necklaces are marked, so I don't know who made them. I also really like this. I love all the multi-chain necklaces that I'm coming across. This one right here is Leah Sophia. It does have its little marker on there. This one is Hard Rock Cafe, so that's kind of cool. This one is Liz Claiborne. I love this one. So you can really find some nice vintage jewelry that looks timeless. Like this looks timeless. This is something that you can wear today and nobody would know that it was Liz Claiborne vintage. Here's the rest of the silver jewelry. There's only one that's named, and it's Daisy Fuentes. I don't know when she was making jewelry, but this is really kind of cute. And I think this is really pretty as well. It's just, whew, this was a handful to get loose, but I think it's really pretty. And then this one's pretty unique. It's put together. I think this might be just like, yeah, actually it is. It's all keychains put together, but it's made into like a necklace. I mean, look how creative that is. That looks really cute. I wanted to give you an opportunity to take a look at some of the assorted bracelets that I acquired. They're all really pretty and casual. They're really casual, and it looks like some of them are homemade. Like this is a homemade one right here. This looks homemade as well. A lot of homemade jewelry in this lot right here. I guess I should put the green stuff out since I'm wearing green. I actually really like this crazy big necklace, man. This is really a statement necklace if I ever saw one. It's a casual necklace. I wonder if I could do it up into a fancy necklace. Almost you could wear this like at an art gallery opening or something like that. Just something really funky where you want to stand out. Here's part of the blue lot. This is really cute. Wow, what a statement necklace this is as well. Holy cow. This is something that you would want to wear like a very simple shirt with to highlight the necklace, but I definitely will rock it. I love that. And I also love these glass beads right here. Actually, I think they're plastic. They feel like they're plastic beads. If you know anything about this necklace, please let me know, because there's like plastic beads and there's like crackle glass, and then on the inside there's more plastic beads. So I thought that was kind of interesting. And then I also like this. This is by Ruby Road. Very pretty. And Ann Taylor Loft. So there are some really cute necklaces in here. I love this one as well. Very pretty. What's so fun about this is that I'm going to get to play with all this different kind of jewelry, and a lot of it's very summery. So I'm very excited about this. This necklace right here from Mark is so beautiful and fun. Look at those beads, and they're, how many? Wow, there's 1, 2, 3 different strands in there. This is going to be a lot of fun to wear. And then I also really want to highlight this one too. This one really here, beautiful seed beads. And this is going to be a lot of fun to style up. It's got the little turquoise type of beads on the bottom and then the seed beads all around the neck. Oh, can't wait to wear it. So taking a look at the watches, you know, I wanted to let you in on a little secret. So I do wear watches. I actually wear this one to keep time. But when I wear my gold jewelry, I tend to put on an old watch that doesn't work. And I just put it on in front of the watch and hide my silver watch. I don't know, I just love the look I love the look of old watches. And these are some fun watches to play with. I like this. This has a really pretty design on the side. And where is this one? This one as well. Really pretty watches. And I'm going to have fun. None of them are working right now, but that's okay. I'm just going to enjoy them and have fun and style them up because I know I will enjoy them. Time for red, orange, and yellow. Really crazy colors here. This is my jam right here. I really do love the color palette red, but I also love gold and silver. You can't pin me down when it comes to jewelry because I do wear all different color jewelry, all different color clothing. This one's kind of fun. It's got long plastic beads. I really liked that one. This one really stands out to me. This one is going to be fun to wear. If you know anything about any of these pieces of jewelry, please let me know. Leave me a comment below because I am in the process of learning older jewelry and older costume jewelry. And I love your input and support on knowing a little bit more about these beautiful pieces so I can be a good caretaker for them. I actually have 2 of these. Isn't that cool? Okay, now we have moved on to the beautiful black jewelry. Okay, there are a few that I just really want to highlight here. Love this little pendant. It's so pretty. And I think it'll clean up really nicely. The birds on this necklace are something to talk about. Take a look at that. They're plastic, but they're really cool. And then I also want to point out this necklace right here. It is missing a couple of the beads down here at the bottom on one of the dangly things, whatever you want to call it. But I really love this. This is very Art Deco in its design. It's very light though, so I don't think that it is vintage because you could just tell by the weight of it. It's not hefty, but I would still wear it. It's so gorgeous. All these necklaces, really just gorgeous. Okay, we get to break up the brown into 2 different lots. This is the first part of the lot. I think this is Avon. I'm not quite sure on the design, but I wanted to highlight this one because this is kind of fun. It's really heavy, but look at the clasp on this. Oh, it's like a snake or something. Oh, it's so cool. Yes, it's a snake because this is also a snake. I can't get you to see it very well. That is really cool. I like that. This is fun. And then who knew Chico's was so fabulous. I guess the people who go to Chico's, I've never been to Chico's, don't roast me, but I have started wearing Chico's clothing from the thrift store because I've started to really love some of their items, but I didn't know that they had such amazing jewelry too. This is crazy. I love it. Here's the rest of the brown lot. I thought that this was really kind of cool. I think this would be called Brutalist because of the way it's like just very chunky and kind of really primitive looking. I don't know. You tell me what this is called. I'm very interested to hear what you think about this. I love the beads on this. The beads are really heavy on this. This is really pretty. And then there were some miscellaneous colored beads in this one, including this. Look how cute that is. That's just like the other one, except it's a little bit longer, and I think it'll look really pretty. And finally, the gold lot. I saved this for last because I knew I would really enjoy this. This is probably my favorite color palette right here, gold. This one's really special. I like this one a lot. Although the necklace is really long for me, I tend to like them a little bit shorter, but I do love this charm. It is definitely not, I think it's plastic. Maybe not plastic, but it's definitely not a good quality, but it's still gorgeous. I did love this. This is just a chunky, beautiful bracelet right here. And here's the hallmark on this. If you know what this is, I haven't looked it up yet. If you know what that is, please give me a comment below and let me know, because I have a couple of items that are like this and I really love all of those pieces. I also really like, I think it was this one. Oh yeah, this is really kind of pretty. I am so thankful for knowing that my local Habitat for Humanity has jewelry. Please do me a favor and visit your local Habitat for Humanity. They're doing great work there, and they do have a lot of beautiful furniture, one-of-a-kind, decor, and they may even have jewelry like this. Look at my hands, they're so dirty from going through all the jewelry. I'm gonna have to wash my hands. If you like this video, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. Also, if you would like to see me go through any specific color more slowly, I can do that as well. I know I kind of breezed through this because I wanted to be able to get it all in one video, but I understand that you all love to look at things. So if you want to look at a specific color, leave me a comment below. Maybe I could do a video for you specifically on that. In the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your friends. We are growing this itty bitty channel, and we are going to do a giveaway at 1,000 followers. So let's make our way there. We're growing every week. Thank you so much for joining me this week. I really love you a lot.